We sold the Golf R a few weeks ago, and I immediately picked up this 1991 Suburban Long Boy, and we are actually on our way to look at something else that is absolutely ridiculous and always been, I'd say, top 5 of absolute dream cars. Yeah. So,
I'd like to see it.
So here's a little hint of what's about to show up that we're looking at. I can't believe that. What are the chances that this is sitting in the parking lot of where I'm meeting a friend right now? Too cool. Ariel Adam. It's just a sign. It's just a sign. It's another sign confirming I need to make the purchase. I don't know what the odds are that the same car in the background of the picture of the Lotus just rolled up while we're waiting for it. And this is also here. I don't know if there's I don't believe in God, but I think he's trying to tell me something right now. All right, so now I just have to spoil it to you guys before it's even here, but we're looking at a Lotus 7, and one of the pictures of it is parked in front of this gentleman's house, and they are not meeting each other here. So as I'm pulling up to look at that car, Ariel Adams sitting here, another exoskeleton type car. We're sitting here BSing, and that rolls up.
That's Sugarloaf, New York, by the way.
I can't believe that.
You get this beautiful hood line coming all the way back, and at night I would lay these down and go for 20-mile-an-hour rides and back roads, just a little breeze in your face. And it's funny because they make this car, the American version has this windshield, the other one it has a little something like those little things. It has 2 little, you know, like those little ones, you know.
I was almost gonna bring my nice camera with me too, and I didn't.
Not out of glass, maybe just like out of Lexon or something. Make another, have like a sports. I was thinking if it was just cut, I would like a little wind in my face. In other words, or like picture, because you can just cut this down. You know what an MG is? MG, yeah. But they have for MGAs, they have just what you're talking about. And it's,
but anyways, I'll show you guys I'll show you guys the Suburban in the meantime. 91 Suburban 1500 350 with a 700 R4 4-wheel drive. Really just picked it up as a beater. It looks solid enough for me to drive through the winter without caring about it, and it's just the right amount of shitty where I'll be able to put some time and money into it, and it's going to be worth keeping around for a while. Long-term plan is this could be a donor for the van if this thing doesn't hold together and treat me right. But it runs great, it shifts great, the frame isn't all rotted, so I just got to pour 15 it. The leaf springs are very tired, so I think next winter we're gonna do a 4-inch lift on it. I'd like to do only like a 2-inch lift, but I think the kit I'm looking at is seems to be the 4-inch lift is gonna be my best bet. But this thing's great. 3rd row seating, all the room for all the activities. I don't really know what the plan. I don't have any major plans with it because it's just a cheap beater to me, and I don't mind spending a few thousand on it over the years if it means for having a fun second truck. Do you see this right now?
God.
Do you see this right now?
I want you to park next to him, so let me move, okay? I mean, look at this.
What are the odds?
Is this nuts? Well, give me a little bit of the data.
So, this is it. About to go on the test drive, but this has been top 5 dream cars for a very long time. Don't really know what else to say. It's just incredible. It's the closest you could get to a motorcycle with having more than 2 wheels. So it's got a Ford Z-Tech 2-liter on ITBs, some headwork. Maddie says it's about 200 horsepower. The engine dynoed at 200 horsepower. It's a Ford T9 5-speed transmission, Toyota rear end, and yeah, 1,500 pounds of add lightness.
Yeah, it's just perfect. Sir, I've never seen anything like this.
Well, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. You guys, I'm fucking speechless. What the fuck? How is this legal? I probably got the mean hair right now to match. Fucking damn, I'm buying it. I'm gonna fucking buy it. Buying it.